Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you want to help support this channel, it won't cost you anything. All you got to do is use the links in the description if you wanted to get some of this for yourself. Hey, what's going on, Rich? Back with another awesome video for you. It's been 2 weeks, and I wanted to show you an update on the grass that I planted. So this is making the rest of the yard look bad because it looks so good. Okay, so here is the rest of the yard over here. It blended in very well. I had to cut around it. I didn't want to cut it yet with the lawnmower. I cut the grass today. So that's what that's what these lines are here. I kind of cut around it because I didn't really want to get on it yet with the lawnmower. But as you can see, it is blending amazingly. Again, over there, it's making the grass look bad. Over here, maybe another 2 weeks before I cut it. But as you can see, it is just as high as the other grass. It's about, I would say about 3.5 inches, almost 4 inches high. Came out really, really good. And keep in mind, I did not aerate this, which I should have. I really, really should have. The soil was really compacted. The Milorganite's doing a really good job on the rest of the grass. Everything looks great, so yeah, looking perfect. So I had to cut the video short because it started pouring rain, so again, just wanted to show you really quickly. This is what the grass looks like. It came out phenomenal. Again, this is 2 weeks. Again, it's pouring rain, so I got to kind of talk loud over the rain. But this is what we're looking like at 2 weeks. Looks absolutely phenomenal. After using the Kentucky 31 Fescue with some Milorganite, and it is unbelievable. And the only reason it's not higher right now is because I didn't aerate the soil, which I definitely should have. This was really compacted soil, and this is basically just like putting seeds right on top of the soil. So this is how good it works in 2 weeks after putting seeds right on top of compacted soil. If I would have aerated it and really treated the soil, probably would have been about a foot high right now. So if you want to pick up some of this for yourself, definitely use the links down in the description. And if this video helps you out, make sure to click that like button, subscribe to my channel for more awesome content, and let me know if you got any questions or comments in the section down below. Thanks again for watching. Take care.